What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode, we're viewing a house in Kampot. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Make people live through, see the joy they bring. And how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so I'm out here on the road, just at the entrance to the laneway into where this little house is. I'm doing this on my phone because I didn't bring all my camera gear out. Okay, so it looks like there's four houses. There's two other ones here, then there's two like this. Nice in here. It's the pictures made it look kind of bigger in here. Here's what you get coming out here. Some places to sit down. So I'm walking away from there now. I'm not 100% decided, but I didn't really have a good feeling from it. In the pictures, they used a very wide angle. It made it look like the main room was much bigger. And same with the bedroom. I walked in there and I just felt like all you can do is turn around in a circle, and then it backs onto the landlord's house. It's like physically touching even. I don't really like that. I was underwhelmed and disappointed with that place. Even though it looks really nice, it's only $180 a month. It was not ideal. Also, I wasn't even finished looking at it. I was just stepping out, putting my shoes on, and another couple was showing up to look at it. I was rushed, so I stepped out, they stepped in, and while I was out, the guy said, so, like, how do you feel about it? What do you think? And that was my chance. I could have just sent him a deposit on my phone, like right there, but I feel like weary about it, and I want to think about it. Like, I won't be sad if I lost that one, I think. But it's still nice to at least show you what an example of looking for houses looks like. If you've been watching my live streams, though, I've been explaining a lot of the resorts in town, just bungalow resorts that you operate all year round. We're entering into low season now, and so they're offering cheap long-term rates just for only the low season, the rain season, which is starting right now. So they're all starting to advertise. And I found a couple. There's one that was $220, one that was $200, and there's one that's $190, and the $190 one looks good. So I might take a tuk-tuk over to that resort that's $190 and just look at it and talk to them and say, hey, in 2-3 weeks I might want to, and maybe I can book it if it looks good. Because I took the bus all the way out here. I might as well make use of my time while I'm here. See how cute and quiet Kampot is? You get the odd loud motor going by like that one, but it's not like beep, 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 beep. There's actually a place to walk. Look how wide this sidewalk is. The gravel road out to the real road, pretty short.
Yeah, the water free. If
Oh,
you
cool.
like the big bottle, free for drink. And this one, towel for the pool. Yeah. And the pool bath, yeah, broken some because almost 6 years. Broken.
It's okay. It's much more greenery and jungly around, and a place to sit down right in front of the door. Looks great. They're saying they'll have availability by, it it's all taken now, but by June 11th, and I want to move June 14th, so it's like perfect timing. And the one I'm getting will be the last one tucked away in the corner down over here. So this is the one that will be open in mid-June, but it's someone in there right now. That's why all their stuff's out here. Oh, cool, and you get kind of like a kitchen space out here.
Yeah.
This is really good. Wow, this looks nice.
Yeah. And 1 week we clean and change this one time.
Once a week.
Yeah, once a week.
Like bathrooms and change rooms over here for the pool.
And we have 2 dogs.
Oh, cool.
And here's a bar. You can sit and sometimes we make a barbecue, all the guests in here.
That's so nice. Place for bikes under here. So I told them I'm coming back on June 14th, and at this place too, they were so nice. It's a couple that runs it, and they said there's no contract, you just go month by month, 190, and they didn't even make me pay a deposit. It's just like a handshake deal, and we just recorded a note that I'm coming back on the 14th, and we added each other on Telegram, and I just sent a message like laying out everything we just agreed on and said and everything, and shook his hand, and it's great. Check this out. So it's about 2 kilometers from town, maybe a little more, 2.2 kilometers or something. This is the main road. You just turn down, it's very short. Some of these places have a long shitty road like this, but this is just a couple of meters. And he said we're close to the river. I think it's straight at the end of this road is the river. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.